everyone's on Judge Way with me, Gaishman. Today we are going to talk about Nokia 3110 out here. Yes, talking about Nokia 3110, we can say that this was an upgraded version of Nokia series out there, or we can say this was a variant which tried to incorporate lot of functionalities in it, but we can say these functionalities didn't go well with every user. These were some functionalities which need to be improved. Talking about this variant, this was a sleeky design variant out here, a thin, compact design phone out here with TFT screening and 256K colorization. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant offers you a normal weighted phone along with a mini SIM and 1.8 screening. Yes, 1.8 was the screen size out there, the entire size we can talk about. The plus point out there that it was having a five-way five-way navigation key. Yes, it had a five-way navigation key out there, so you can see that's a wonderful feature out there. Whereas you get to see that 9 MB internal storage capacity it might have 9 MB storage capacity, but external storage capacity was really a very good version out there. It offers a good variant in the external storage capacity along with entries inbuilt in it for the phone book as well as call logs could be seen. The camera was not very good but was better than the previous versions, the precursors of this variant, because having a 1.3 camera or definitely says that it was a good version out there. Video quality was slightly bad out here, was slightly bad, not very bad but slightly bad. Whereas we can say that it did not have a 3.5 mm jack out here and was really not a worth it phone for the people who love to have 3.5 mm jack. But you can definitely use 2.5 mm jack with it, yeah, and you can definitely try out this variant with a different kind of earphones. Talking about the earphones, it has a Bluetooth inbuilt in it. This Bluetooth is there as well as you get to see that it has a stereo type speaker and FM inbuilt in it. Talking about the FM and the battery life of this variant, we can say that the battery life of this variant was okay version out here, offering 1000 mAh battery of 4 to 5 hours talk time is okay version, not a very good version out there, not very good version, but an okay version out here. Whereas when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version outside, we can say that this variant is available out on various websites, but very few websites offer a good pricing for it. And one of such website is available with us. The site name is PhoneZone.ae. Yes, the site name is PhoneZone.ae. You not only get one brand out here, but n number of brands out here, as well as you get to see this search icon, which helps you to search your favorite gadget out there. So you can definitely search out your favorite gadgets. Talking about this gadget, we have got the results out here. Talking about the results, we can say it offers a description box which has all the kind of, we can say, uh, the specifications out there. Yes, it has got all kind of specifications out here. As well as you get to see that there is a condition written refurbished condition. Yes, there is a condition called refurbished condition. And talking about this refurbished condition, let us talk about the differences between refurbished and brand new, whether refurbished products are good or not. So everything, let us know about this condition and then we will talk about the website. So let us talk about refurbished products and compare it with the brand new products and see how do they differ. Let us know how do these products differ and let us see how are they different from each other. Talking about these products, we can say that brand new products and the refurbished products, these products are quite similar products out there. Similar in the sense that the parameters, structurality, functionality, everything remains constant. Everything is same out there. But when we talk about the pricing and other things like usage, year launch, they are slightly different. Yes, they are slightly different out there. Now let us come to the point why we were discussing the refurbished product. We were discussing refurbished product because we would like to know how is it different from brand new. Talking about brand new products, talking about brand new things, we can say they are directly from the company to a mediator and the user or the consumers out there. These are the things, these are the three stages of it. Yes, the company or the original base out there which has introduced that product in the market. Then we come to the mediator, and then we come to the user. Whereas when we talk about the refurbished product, they are extension to it. Yes, they are extension to it. Like we had ended up at the consumer, we had three stages. The consumer was the last stage. Now the extension to this adds on to that. Now consumer does not want to use this product. Now consumer wants to have something else. So what they do is they give it to some site, or the pre-owned phones are given to some sites or the agencies out there who gives a parameter certificate to these gadgets that whether they are in good condition or not. Now this starts the refurbished production out here. Now the consumer is our main base, the consumer who is the first user of that gadget. Now the agency, and then again the users out there who wants to have that phone. So this is what refurbished phones out. Like a brand new product is only considered as refurbished once it has been pre-owned. Yes, this is what happens actually. Now talking about the parameters, talking about how they are different, how they are similar. Similarities की बात करें, if you talk about the similarities, they have the same functionality and structurality out here, as well as you will get to see that these products have the same parameters or the testers out there which check the quality of a product. Yes. For brand new, we have testers like for the display, the connectivity, SIM testing out there, battery testing, camera testing, the Bluetooth testing, video testing out there, the touch or the type screening. If it's slide, then how it is working. Flip phones have a different test. So all the testings which are involved, like everything like colorization, decolorization, connectivity, operating systems out there, processing system out there, GPU, CPU, infrared ports out there, it's sensors out there, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyroscopes out there. Everything is being tested. So these are the tests for brand new, and these are the same tests which are involved in the refurbished products. Yes, refurbished products also have these kind of tests out there. Now, when we talk about these kind of tests, they are almost 29 parameters, and then these 29 parameters help us to know all the specifications related to that product. Yes, we have almost 29 parameters to discuss about a phone. We discuss about the quality of a phone. So these are the 29 parameters which certify them. Once the certification is given, they are a good quality. They can be renewed. They are renewed. They are pre-owned, but they can be used again. So these are the similarities and good points out there. Now talking about good points, what are the benefits of having refurbished products over a brand new? We can consider that they provide you up to savings. Yes, they provide you savings out there. Yes, you can save up to 15%. How? The next point comes to that only, that how you can save. You can save because these are in pocketable rates. Yes, when we talk about pocketable rates, brand new products are initially very expensive out there. They are very expensive out there, and when these products are with the time passage, we can say they are considered as refurbished. They are not the brand new now. Now they have been pre-owned, and now product is in the condition of refurbished. They are in pocketable rates, and these pocketable rates are said to be very not very expensive out there. They're not very cheap, but they are quite pocketable now. Now, when we talk about these pocketable, then next point comes: do they offer warranty? Yes, they offer you 6 months warranty out here. You get to see 6 months warranty period out here, as well as you also get to see that when you owe from a site, you only get this warranty period. But when you owe from directly the user, you do not get that warranty out here. Yes, warranty period is from the site only, because they have a condition written over the product that it is refurbished or brand new or whatever condition it is. Apart from that, you also get to have a 7-day exchange policy. Yes, this is exactly the same which we do for online shopping. That if you do not get a desirable product, you can exchange it, and that too happens here that you get 7-day exchange policy out there. Talking about the exchange policy, it is on this website I was talking about. Let me take you to the website once again. So we are back to the website out here, as we have already discussed about this website. Let me say the name, or we can say re-highlight it. The name has been highlighted again. The name of the website is phonezone.ae. Phone zone. Yes, you get to hear. You can see from the name itself. Phone and zone, like it's a collection, it's a zone, it's a place where you get to see all kind of variants. Talking about all kind of variants, there is a category out here, all mobile phones, which helps you to know that these kind of brands are available out here, and these are very reputed and renowned brands out here. So you can definitely check out this. Apart from this, you also get to see that this website not only offers you these brands, but also gives you 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy out here. Along with this, yes, these are the benefits of having a refurbished product also. But along with this, you get to see that they are offering you COD and free shipping too. Yes, free shipping is also there, COD is also there, so you can definitely check out this website. Apart from that, 100% original products are seen out here, and the brand new products, flash deals are there. You get to see a lot of things out there. Apart from that, it offers you 48 hours free shipping within most of the parts of UAE, as well as for Saudi, it might take up to a week. But when we talk about this site, it offers you one of the best pricing in the market. Yes, best pricing it shows you out in the market. So do check out the description. It has the link, or you can go on Google and type phonezone.ae. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.